51. What are two metrics that you can use to evaluate a regression model? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Coefficient of determination, R2. B. F1 score. C. Root mean squared error, RMSE. D. Area under curve, AUC. E. Balanced accuracy. (52) Hotspot. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. Hot area. Predicting how many vehicles will travel across a bridge on a given day is an example of classification, clustering, regression. (53) Drag-drop. You need to use Azure Machine Learning Designer to build a model that will predict automobile prices. Which type of module should you use to complete the model? To answer, drag the appropriate modules to the correct locations. Each module may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Select and place. Convert to CSV. K-means clustering. Linear regression. Split data. Select columns in dataset. Summarize data. (54) Which type of machine learning should you use to identify groups of people who have similar purchasing habits? A. Classification. B. Regression. C. Clustering. (55) Hotspot. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. Hot area. Models can be used to predict the sale price of auctioned items. Classification. Clustering. Regression. (56) Which metric can you use to evaluate a classification model? A. True positive rate. B. Mean absolute error, MAE. C. Coefficient of determination, R2. D. Root mean squared error, RMSE. Which metric can you use to evaluate a classification model? (57) Which two components can you drag onto a canvas in Azure Machine Learning Designer? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Dataset. B. Compute. C. Pipeline. D. Module. (58) You need to create a training dataset and validation dataset from an existing dataset. Which module in the Azure Machine Learning Designer should you use? A. Select columns in dataset. B. Add rows. C is split data. D. Join data. (59) Drag drop. Match the types of machine learning to the appropriate scenarios. To answer, drag the appropriate machine learning type from the column on the left to its scenario on the right. Each machine learning type may be used once, more than once, or not at all. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Select and place. Learning types. Classification. Clustering. Regression. Regression. Regression predict how many minutes late a flight will arrive based on the amount of snowfall at an airport. Clustering segment customers into different groups to support a marketing department. Classification predict whether a student will complete a university course. (60) Hotspot. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. Hot area. Accuracy. Confidence. Root mean square error. Sentiment. Is the calculated probability of a correct image classification. Accuracy. Is the calculated probability of a correct image classification.